to our little review of Orrest View Cottage in Windermere in the Lake District. And we've got a proper parking space here. There's none on the main road, but there's a nice drive here, plenty of room.
It is round the back though, and the road is a bit bumpy.
It does say it's unmade on the information from the owners.
Ample parking there, it's very good.
Loads. This is quite a sizable garden.
Yeah.
So you come in the keys in a key safe. There is one on both doors, front and back, but there wasn't actually a front door key on the front door. So you come in the back door, and there's like a little dining area with a little seat in the window. Luna's favourite seat, that one, isn't it? Or laid on the hearth where it's nice and cool because it's actually boiling at the minute next to the little log burner. So the kitchen's alright. It's got a nice big fridge freezer because it is properly self-catering. They don't provide anything for you, not even tea and coffee. So we did bring food with us, and we went to Booth supermarket that's just round the corner. There's everything you need. The cooker, we were like, oh, nice big oven and cooker. But the hob works alright, but the oven, there's no instructions for it really. Just as that it's a fan oven, but the fan doesn't actually work unless you've got it on the one with the grill on. So it's quite hard to sort of choose things to cook.
We did try some chips in it, didn't we?
Oh, the chips.
It's difficult.
I think if we came again, we'd bring our air fryer.
Yeah, and because of the great big cooker, we have found out that
you can't open that.
Yes.
Mm. So they did provide some washing up liquid, some dishwasher tablets, a little sponge and that, but there's nothing to wipe the sides down, so we went and bought some wipes which we'll take home with us, so it's no big deal. They've got washing machine, dishwasher, there is a dryer around the corner as well, and some other household items. It's kind of got everything you need. It's just a couple of touches that it's not going to cost much, but will just make it so much nicer. And like this stuff on top of the fridge, I don't know what that is. That could just be removed if it's not being used for anything. Or the bin also, the bin lid is broken. They only provided one bin bag as well, for only a £5 for a week. I'll show you upstairs now, it's the living room and the kids' rooms. Come on. So on the first floor there's a living room. And the boys are. You get a nice view out onto the cricket pitch. So this room has been nice on an evening. We've had movie night every night.
The boys chilling with the dog. And it's even got an outdoor swing in it.
Which is usually Harry's place to sit on a night.
Yeah, it can be a little bit noisy though, and there's a little bit damaged. The boys' bedroom.
Yeah. So 2 boys have been in here.
2 single beds.
This is another thing that they could easily sort or replace. Could just sand it down and put another top on it if you wanted to keep it. I don't think these are expensive. Just get a new one.
No, it wouldn't take a lot.
No.
It wouldn't take a lot for them to do it all.
Right, onwards and upwards. This is the bathroom. The shower's pretty good, it's quite powerful.
Yeah, it's quite small, but it's big enough for everything we need. There is parts of it that do need a bit of a deeper clean. You have a nice shower. You get out and the window goes onto the cricket field. It's not frosted at all. So this is what's been the master bedroom.
So the bed is absolutely massive.
It is huge. It is one mattress as well. Although the bed does split into 2, which I imagine it would have to get it in here. and it's coming apart. You can see little bits here. But it just seems to be that this bed's probably, I don't know, maybe 1,000 years old.
Yeah. And although the bed's enormous, when they get down, the quilt isn't. I think it needs to have a bigger quilt on it to cover the size of the bed.
Yeah.
The pillows are nice, but the mattress looks a bit odd.
Super King. But it does need...
Doesn't say what size on it.
Does need a bigger duvet. And the mattress itself, it does have a mattress topper on, which is nice. But underneath, the mattress has definitely... just feels like it's seen better days. You don't have the support there. I won't be too disappointed to go back home and sleep in our own bed.
Yeah.
There's a few little bits in here as well, like this handle. It's come off. And the handle on the other side is barely hanging on.
On its way. We've not used any of the drawers or anything.
Yeah, there is a full set of drawers, but we didn't use any because...
it stinks.
Yeah, it smells...
It's really, really fusty, and I thought it'd make our clothes smell, so we've just had everything up on the top.
Yeah.
Last but not least, there's a single room. Yeah. It's actually a decent size.
And I think this has been done up, because you've got the nice wallpaper, you've got the new cabinet, and the big sleigh bed. With Isla.
Chilling on the windows.
And Luna again. And it's got a brand new wardrobe in here also, with a cot on top.
Yeah.
For 5 of us, 3 children, 1 dog, 2 adults. And it cost us, what did it cost us for the week?
I think $790.
$790, and that was the cheapest on the list. We booked it through booking.com, and it was the cheapest one, and for summer holidays in Windermere, it's a good location. You can't go wrong at that price, so you can't really can't complain too much, can you?
No, it just needs
just
a few
little
tweaks
bits.
here and there.
But other than that, yeah,